Steep and Shallow is a single toolpath to finish machine feature-rich, freeform parts, available as both a 3-axis and simultaneous 5-axis strategy. Steep and Shallow combines the strengths of traditional 3D finishing toolpaths by automatically detecting surface slope and applying the appropriate strategy. Smooth out transitions with control over the overlap distance and threshold angle. Choose from scallop or parallel to finish shallow areas and enable continuous passes for contour and scallop. Easily set the step over and cut direction in a single location. Each shallow strategy has added intelligence to increase surface finish quality and tool life. Parallel pass direction is automatically determined for each region, decreasing transitional moves. Wall clearance ensures there are no tool marks on adjacent steep walls. Smooth offsets for scallop passes round sharp corners to improve machine motion, reducing dwell marks on the finished part. Cusps left behind along toolpath corners are automatically detected and removed to further refine the final surface. Advanced pass ordering options give you further control over the final toolpath. Use automatic 5-axis tilting to cut with shorter, more rigid tools to reduce chatter and improve surface finish. Fusion will automatically tilt the tool when an interference is detected, avoiding collisions with the tool or the holder. Use lead, lag, and side tilting parameters to improve cut conditions where the tool meets the material, creating a high-quality surface and reducing tool wear. Cut to or from a point or curve to optimize the strategy for the geometry of your parts, with tool axis limits for greater control. Whether you're looking to optimize 3-axis finishing, automatically generate 5-axis toolpaths, or take fine control of the lead and lag angles, Steep and Shallow is a safe and reliable strategy to reduce programming time while improving surface quality.